Hey guys, Saki from sakitech, and in today's video what we are going to do is we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the exclusive crafted black color. Now, if you want to buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, I will drop the links down below. There is still time to snatch some of those crazy pre-order deals where you get to save a lot of money. Links below. Now, I do have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the silver color. So what I'm going to do is I am going to compare the crafted black color to the silver color as well for people that might be wondering what is the difference. So let's see what's in the box over here. So when I lift this up, right inside, we are going to see the crafted black Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is on the darker side, obviously. Now, the contents of the actual box are the same. You have this box within the box, which has the cable and the user guide. So let's take a look at this guy right over here. It actually looks quite stunning. So let's lift this up. Here we have it. Okay, now one thing you'll notice right away that the finish has a minor shine to it. Okay, so it is not like a mirror, but it's got a minor shine to it. That is an incredible texture. It looks like a carbon fiber texture. You look at the sides and you see we have a matte black finish. Same thing around, as you can see. All right. And on this side, we got the same situation and same thing at the bottom. And if I put it right here, that's what it's going to look like. And if I grab my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 that is in silver color, that is how they look next to each other. All right, so here's what it looks like closed. Now you can see that I am using the light to create some reflection here. And you can see there's a slight reflection on this crafted black color. There's the window out there, but it's not like a mirror finish like I said. So that's that. Let me just lift this up so you can see it as well. Okay, you can see this one, we have no reflection whatsoever of the light or the mirror or the window in the background. Okay, so you can make your decision based on that. Some people don't care about that, some people do care about that. Okay, so in my case, because the shine is not too strong, I don't really care. And when I run my fingers through the back here, remember this is going to be Gorilla Glass Victus 2, just like this one right over here. But as I run my fingers through this, it does feel grippy. So even though this is slightly shiny, it is not smooth like glass. All right, they should have all Samsung phones in this crafted black color. Of course, this is also amazing. Let's look at them a little bit closer. All right, so here we are. Now I'm gonna let you know real quick, as I'm standing over here looking at this crafted black directly, even without the camera, it actually looks completely black. So from certain angles, it is going to look black. But as I do come close to it and we get some light over here that hits the textures, you can see that beautiful carbon fiber texture over there. Again, you can see it is not a complete mirror finish. It is just slightly shiny. Now, when I look at the camera housing, you can see it is basically the same. The housing itself, this container that goes around the lenses, is silver here. And here it is, of course, black. But we do have the same ring around all these guys. When I say ring, I'm talking about these black rings. So they're black here and they're black here. Obviously, the cameras are the same. So here's a look from a slightly different angle. And you can see, again, it looks beautiful. Drop a comment down below and let me know which one you would prefer and why. But let's get a little bit closer and look at all the details on the body. So first, I want you guys to see it right here. You can see it is all matte black over here, and you have matte silver over here. So that's great. Love the fact that it's all matte. And if I look over here, you can see we have the matte finish. Okay, it says Samsung. That looks really nice. Compare that to this one. I do like the silver one on the hinge better for some reason. Okay, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about that. On the top, it's like this. And if I grab it, we just looked at it, but I'm going to show it to you again, as you can see. All right. And then on the sides, got that power button with the fingerprint sensor, the volume rocker, beautiful smooth matte finish, all flat design, USB Type-C port, speaker grill, the microphone dot right there. By the way, on the top, we have 3 microphones. All right. But that's basically the comparison between the two. If I had to daily one of these guys, I'd probably go with the Crafted Black because I love the carbon fiber texture. But some people may not like the fact that it's got that little shine here. It doesn't bother me too much. It is still resistant to fingerprints, so I'm pressing on it. So it is resistant to fingerprints, which is a good thing. Okay, it is not fingerprint proof, but it is resistant to it. This one is going to be the same. And because it is more bright, the smudges, when they do appear, are going to be a little bit more pronounced on this one. But regardless, some people just love pure matte finish. And that's not the one that we have on this one. And I think that makes sense in order to be able to get that carbon fiber like finish. So that's basically there's all to it, to the Crafted Black color. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know which one you would choose. And also, if you want to buy any one of these guys, the links are going to be down below.